Hello YouTube and welcome to another video. So this one will be a little bit special because we'll be not talking about IT field, but we'll be talking about our health. Yes, our health. Because if you are not healthy, you cannot produce, you cannot program, and you cannot do anything actually. Okay? So I thought it may be useful for you to give you just some tips and tips without giving you much technical details about how to stay young and productive. So are you ready? Let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna show you here is actually a very important one. Okay, so the first tip in order to stay young is to get rid of sugar. Yes, sugar is very dangerous for our health. Actually, we call it the white poison. So try actually every time to read how much amount of sugar you are taking, especially with our fast food that we are eating every day, and with also soft drinks. They contain a lot of amount of sugar. So try to get rid of sugar if you wanna be young. Okay, so this is my first tip. The second tip is actually to lose weight. Yes, to lose weight, because if you are fat, you will be not in good shape and you will not look like a young man. You will look actually older than if you lose weight. So try to lose weight, and with this step it comes the third one, which is actually very obvious. So you have also to make sport exercises. So as you know, sport exercises actually play a very important role in our health. It keeps your immunity system very high, and also it prevents from getting diseases. So try to make exercises, for example footing or just walking 2 times or 3 times a week as you can, and especially in a forest or in an environment when there is no pollution. So keep that in mind also. This is my third tip. Try to make sport exercises. They are very important. Okay, and I will go here to my fourth tip. So you have to sleep and get up early. Yes, this is very important. In our sleep a lot of things happens. Actually in our sleep is actually the time when your body actually produces and regenerates itself. So try to sleep early and not to stay very late, and also to get up early as you can, so you can have time to do a lot of things. And also try to sleep actually deeply and not to get interrupted, for example by noise from TV or smartphone or something like that. So try to have a very calm and deep sleep, and also very important, sleep as early as you can. Okay, so my fifth tip here is to fast. So fasting actually means not to eat, but you can drink water, it's okay, but try not to eat a lot, or at least, for example, eat just two times or 3 times a day. That's enough. And try maybe once a week or 2 days a week not to eat anything till, for example, in the evening you have to eat just something really small. So try not to eat a lot. This is the fifth tip. Okay, and now I'm going here to my sixth tip. So do not stress. Yes, do not stress. Stress is very dangerous for our health. I know a lot of people nowadays, because of work, because of money, they stress, and stress plays actually very important role in having diseases. Even if you have a mental stress, that can affect your actually body. So try to forget stress. Try, for example, to go to the mountains, to work in the forest, for example, in a calm environment, in order to forget all the stress that you have during the week. Or at least just take a little nap very deeply and without any disturbance, okay, like music or something like that. You can of course play some calm music if you want, or just listen to the birds in the forest. That's also a pretty nice music to hear, okay? So this sixth tip is very important. Do not stress yourself, because if you stress yourself, you are affecting actually a lot of organs in your body, and they can not function very well. So this is very important tip to keep in your mind, okay? Now I'm going to talk about the seventh tip. Take supplements. So here supplements, I mean vitamins and minerals. They are also really important. You can find them in tablets in the pharmacy, but try to get some natural one, because unfortunately the food that we are eating nowadays doesn't contain a lot of supplements, and especially if you cook them in heat or hot water, some supplements like vitamin and mineral actually disappear. So you have to take some supplements, and especially if they are natural, they are really important for your health and your body, okay? So keep that also in your mind. My eighth tip, make your brain work. Yes, you can consider your brain as a muscle, and as a muscle you must train it. So for example, there are a lot of tips that you can do in order to make your brain work. You can do some simple mathematical exercises if you want, or you can just for example learn new language that make your brain also work. Try to remember all things, but keeping that in mind, if you don't train your brain, you will get lost and you will have maybe some brain diseases. So try to make your brain work as much as you can. Try to write, try to remember things, or just do some mathematical exercises just to make your brain work actually, okay? So this is also a very important tip that you have to keep in your mind. I will go to my ninth tip. Yes, drink a lot, drink as much as you can, especially if you are working or you are living in a hot environment or in hot countries, okay? So here we say, for example, that water is life, and this is really true. Water is life, and our body contains, as you know, much water that you can imagine. So try to drink as much as you can. Try to have in your head whenever you go out a bottle, just small bottle of water, so you can drink whenever you want. Even if you don't feel thirsty, you can drink water. This is really healthy for your body, okay? And I will go here to my last tip. Take cold shower. Yes, that may seem a little bit not good, but yes, it can help. It can help to make some organs in your body work very efficiently. So try to take cold water just once a week or 2 times a week if you can. Even if you are in a cold environment, that can have some beautiful effect into your body and also that can increase the immunity of your system. So I guess that's all for this video. I tried to give you some simple but useful tips that you can use in order to stay young and more productive in your life. And the most important thing is to stay healthy, okay? So as always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.